Hey guys, it's Glenn with All About Our House, and this is the staircase that I'm talking about in all of our episodes that I'm making out of black walnut. As you can see, it is a construction staircase right now. This was built during the framing process of our house, and we've been living in the house for a couple of months with the staircase looking just like this. Luckily, our framer did a great job giving us a very solid glued and screwed and nailed quite a bit this construction staircase. So it's solid. It's been fine walking up and down for several months with two of us and our 5 kids and our dog, and now it's time to get this thing finished. So right now what we're dealing with is I used actually pallet wood to make these temporary balusters, and then 2x4s to make the railings. And what is kind of cool is that our framer left a gap in between the stair tread, the construction stair tread, and the wall. So this gap is big enough to literally just slip a skirt board up into, instead of having to scribe it all the way up, which is how you would typically get started with your stairs, is you'd make a skirt board that has all the stairs scribed out. This will just set it down in there, and then you'll have that nice perfect line going up. So that was really nice that our framer was able to do that. If you're doing construction stairs and you're going to be in this kind of a situation, you might consider asking the framer, or if you're framing it yourself, to hook you up with something like that, because it is going to save us some time. Right now the plan is to put the black walnut material on the tread, use it as a tread, and then the riser material, I think we're going to have enough knotty alder left over from trim and baseboards and stuff that we're going to be able to use it for that as well. So we'll be playing around with it a little bit. I just went and picked up all the wood, and it's all different thicknesses, all different lengths. There's cracks at the end. There's awesome saw marks. There's some slab pieces that I may be able to turn into some treads. I don't know. It's going to be a process. It's going to be cool. You can follow me as I go through this. It's going to be kind of a creative process, and I'm envisioning at the end that this staircase is super, super unique looking. All right, and I'll be showing you some more about our house in other episodes. We have timber frame inside of our house. We've got concrete floors. We've got a lot of unique and very natural materials going around here. So I'm hoping that this staircase can be a nice complement to that. It shouldn't be too weird, but also not too traditional and fancy looking. Looking for a good combination there. If you have any ideas for how I should do this, please drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll be in the garage working on this wood and getting it ready to play around with and then eventually install. So this is the stairs, just so you can see a little more here. The staircase comes up and does kind of a cool, option for going left and option for going right. So a Y-shaped staircase. The other thing we have to figure out with the black walnut is, once you get up to the top, how we're going to integrate this into our railing. Right now we have this crazy looking temporary railing that I made out of 2x4s and barn metal. And then it's going to come over here and continue up on this cap where this flooring is installed. So lots to do and lots to check out. It'll be a step-by-step process. Hope you can join me for all the steps along the way. See ya.